today I'm going to show you how to use a rotary evaporator. So the first thing you need to do is make sure all parts of the machine are on. So that includes the interface up there, which has a switch on the side, the pump, which has a switch on the front, and the heating bath, which has a switch on the side. So the next thing you need to do is set your temperature on the water bath, and that's done by picking the arrows, and it will cause the readout to flash. Leave it at the temperature you want, and then it will set. Next thing to do is set the vacuum pressure, which is read out at the top right corner of the interface. Now it needs to be at an appropriate level for your solvent. There's a list here, and that's where you'll find it. So the next thing to do is to get your vessel, which will hold your solution. Now it needs to be an appropriate size for the volume of your solution. You need to make sure that the flask is half filled or less. So now you slot it onto the machine and bring down the clip and tighten it so that it's firmly holding the vessel on, but not so tight that you might break it. So the next thing to do is start spinning it slowly. So you set it to about 2, and then lower it into your water so that the level of water is covering the volume of solution that's in your flask. So now you can turn up the speed of the spinning and turn on your vacuum. And then to seal the tap on this side, and that's how you'll create your vacuum. So as the vacuum is starting to be established, you'll see the pressure drop on the readout. And then you need to stay with the equipment until you're done using it, and then turn everything off. So to turn it all off, you press stop on the vacuum, open up the tap again, and that will allow air back into the system and break the vacuum. Then turn off your spinning, lift it out of the water bath, take off the clip, and then remove the vessel. When you take it off, you need to be careful not to drop it into the water because it will ruin what you've done.